You've probably heard it before. Make money online from anywhere. Live the laptop lifestyle. But here's the part they usually don't tell you. You need to be a designer, coder, or marketing genius to pull it off. Wrong. What if we told you that in 2025, the rules have changed? What if making money from your laptop didn't require any special skills, startup money, or a massive audience? Because right now, people with zero tech background are quietly earning hundreds, and even thousands, every single week. All from a simple laptop. The new way to earn: plug-and-play income streams. The old way: get a degree, apply for jobs, work 40+ hours a week, hope for a raise. The new way: use free tools and AI-powered platforms to create small, scalable income streams that grow while you sleep. This isn't theory. And here's the twist: it works even if you think you have no skills. Because in 2025, skill is optional. Step 1. Choose a no-skill digital business model. The goal here is to find a hustle that doesn't require coding, graphic design, or professional experience. Digital flipbooks and guides. Use AI to write ebooks and sell them on Gumroad. Print-on-demand stores. Use Canva to design quotes for shirts and mugs. No inventory needed. PLR product resellers. Download ready-made content and resell it legally. Low-content books on Amazon. Think journals, planners, activity books, created in minutes. Faceless YouTube channels. Use free stock footage plus AI voiceovers to create automated channels. You just need to be resourceful. Step 2. Use AI tools to do the work for you. AI isn't just for techies anymore. It's your new business partner. Here are tools that do the heavy lifting. ChatGPT writes your product descriptions, ebooks, and video scripts. Canva designs logos, thumbnails, and templates. Leonardo AI, Midjourney, creates stunning images with a few prompts. Pictory, InVideo, turns blog posts into video content automatically. This isn't about learning complex software. It's about letting tools do 80% of the work. Step 3. Get traffic without spending on ads. You don't need a marketing degree or a massive ad budget to make sales. Use these free methods to drive traffic to your digital products. TikTok tutorials. How I made $100 today from my laptop. Pinterest pins. Link back to your product store with eye-catching visuals. Facebook niche groups. Share value, not spam. Reddit threads. Be helpful, answer questions, drop your link naturally. SEO-optimized blog posts. Rank for low-competition keywords. The traffic is out there, you just have to show up where people are already looking. Step 4. Automate everything. Want to make money while you sleep? You need automation. Gumroad automates product delivery. MailerLite sends emails automatically. StanStore links your entire digital biz in your bio. With automation, your laptop becomes your 24/7 sales representative. You don't need to respond to messages. You don't need to handle inventory. You don't even need to be awake. This works because most people won't do it. Here's the truth. Most people will scroll past this and think, sounds cool, but probably not for me. That's exactly why this works. Because most people won't try. If you commit to 30 to 60 days of consistent effort, you'll look back and wonder why you didn't start sooner. This isn't about luck or talent. It's about choosing a system that's already working and executing. All you need is Wi-Fi. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need startup capital. You don't need permission. A laptop and internet connection. A decision to start. It's about execution in the age of automation. The only question left is, will you be the one who finally makes it happen? If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.